According to the Oxford Dictionary, the definition of perfect, having all the required and desirable elements, qualities, and characteristics. As good as it's possible to be. So then, what's the definition of the perfect cup of coffee? Well, allow me to tell you what it definitely is not. Its temperature isn't so hot that it causes those burning accidents. Nor is it as cold as the North Pole when it's made. And the beans aren't wrapped in some overly priced, environment-killing mixture of aluminum and plastic. Always remember the sea turtles. And the options don't require standing in line, waiting to call your name, or having to redo it several times at home before you finally get it right. Coffee isn't just Americano or espresso. It goes beyond that, with your personal taste. I know what you're thinking. Is that even possible? With the Barista Bot, it's where possible meets perfect. Our teams worked immensely on this smart technology that allows you to, with a simple touch of a button on your phone, activate the Barista Bot. Slipping the QR code, everything's at your fingertips. From getting your beans, to saving your preferred drinks, or asking Google Home or Amazon Alexa to create your perfect cup of coffee. Alexa, please give me my perfect cappuccino. Extra foam, please.
Right away.
Nice. It starts off by silently yet powerfully grinding up to 9 ounces of your fresh coffee beans, which of course won't wake up your neighbors or annoy your colleagues. In fact, with its stainless steel tapered high-quality grinder and its 19-bar pump water tank that holds up to 1.7 liters of water, it'll continuously make up to 15 cups of coffee for you and them. With our fridge that keeps your milk fresh and the filter to purify the water, is the secret of our perfect coffee. We've made sure to satisfy everyone's needs with the machine that has it all. The Barista Bot offers not only Americano or espresso, but up to 16 different varieties ranging from cappuccino to ristretto. Simply adjust the height of the cup to your preference. Kick back and relax. The Barista Bot starts pouring the rich coffee in your cup, ensuring that you never get a cold cup, as it's designed to have a stainless steel cup warmer. It's just high enough to keep your cup disinfected. And no, you don't have to do this every day. Your preferred drinks are saved, allowing you to wake up in the morning with your alarm and your coffee waiting there for you. After it serves you, it begins cleaning itself silently. And if you want to give it that extra clean, every part of this machine is easily removable and can be cleaned manually. The Barista Bot cares about the environment just as much as it cares about you, which is why we designed it with ABS material to give it that more lifetime ability, saving one turtle at a time. Now you have a lot of coffee on the go. The only machine that has it all. Barista Bot, your perfect cup of coffee.